Vlogineers. Today we're going to unbox and review another Finders Seekers escape room subscription box. And we believe this one is on national parks. If this escape room looks interesting to you, you can purchase it at the link in the description. Box up. Here's an envelope. And a wooden stick.
Plank. Oh, it's actually a ruler.
Oh, and it says Yellowstone National Park. Get started. Here's a note. It says, read the letter inside from Lucy Calder. Number 2, verify your contents of your box. And number 3, join the Finders Seekers user group on Facebook for hints.
And number 4, have fun, even though they don't put a number 4.
Let's see what's inside this envelope. Here is a Great Smoky Mountains postcard.
Oh yeah,
And there's strange letters, so there might be a clue. There's a whole stack of stuff. Here's a flashlight with the Finders Seekers logo on it.
Oh, a special flashlight, one of those.
Over here are some cards. I'm not going to show everything in detail in case there's some spoilers, because this is an escape room. Oh, that's it.
Oh, that's all?
Yep.
Oh.
Let's read the letter. Hello, fellow seeker. During these hard economic times, the gates of the Arctic National Park in Alaska is in danger of losing its designation and protection as a national park. As the least visited national park with decreased funding, the park's collapse is likely. The Society of Seekers has been contacted by a relative of Paul Hammond, a deceased billionaire miser, who promised his fortune to help preserve the national parks. However, Hammond died before revealing where he had hidden his wealth. His niece is in possession of some peculiar documents found in Hammond's wilderness shack. She believes they hold the key to finding the loot that can save the gates of Arctic, one of Hammond's most cherished parks. Your mission is to solve the mystery and locate the fortune. Inside the box is everything you need. So to play, just like last time when we did the Paris escape room, we're going to first read, where's For My Legacy? Here it is. Here's For My Legacy. Oh, there's also hints on the back. Hints for each of the puzzles on the back, and I guess there's an answer for each puzzle for each of the national parks. Then use the posters to visit 10 national parks, solving puzzles and deciphering a secret message at each location. In Paris, there were 10 puzzles at 10 different locations on the Paris metro, and now we're going to visit 10 national parks. Okay, so step 2, write the secret message from each park in the spaces provided on For My Legacy. And step 3, once all the messages are solved, the stars will lead you.
All these stars.
Yeah, the stars will lead you the way to finish the find. And let's see what else there is.
Oh, here are the national parks.
Oh,
puzzles.
yeah.
Here are the puzzles.
These are like big posters for each of the national parks.
And they have the puzzles and that, I think.
Uh-huh. Here is Great Smoky Mountains, and on the back is the puzzle.
Next is Virginia Islands National Park.
Virgin Islands
Virgin.
National Park. The puzzle's on the back.
Next is Crater Lake National Park.
Oh, this is in Oregon.
Mm-hmm.
We were going to go there at one point, but we never did.
Here's Everglades National Park.
Oh, Everglades.
Oh yeah, that's in Florida. They have alligators and crocodiles. That's the only place in the world.
Oh, Yellowstone. That's where all the geysers are.
And all the bison.
That's the puzzle on the back. We're almost there. Oh, there's still quite a few. Denali National Park in Alaska. There's just a few more. Acadia National Park in Maine. We've never been to any of these.
Carlsbad Caverns National.
Oh yeah, we went to
We
here.
went there.
Yeah, when we went to New Mexico, and you can watch that video from
By
it was
up
like
here.
1 or 2 years ago. Yeah, click up there. 2 more. Mesa Verde National Park in Colorado. And lastly, Arches National Park. Is it in Utah? Yeah, in Utah.
Oh, and for that puzzle, we'll be naming these. I saw at the back.
Maybe. That is all in this Finder Seekers escape room. So we're going to do a live playthrough. You can watch that video by clicking up here. And we'll come back with our final thoughts. We have just finished playing Finder Seekers. It was actually a very fun game. It only took like an hour and a half, which was better than the last time when it took us 2.5 hours. So that's definitely an improvement.
2 hours 27.
Yes,
Exactly.
and we cannot talk about any of the puzzles because that would give spoilers. However, if you watch our live stream, there will be plenty of spoilers in case you just want to know how the game played out. There were some really cool puzzles with like very unique escape room type way.
It was very clever.
And while this isn't like an escape room in the sense that you escape a room, right? You're not escaping a room, but
You're just solving puzzles.
Yeah, but the puzzles in this game, all 10 of them were very escape room-like. So it's pretty much like a full escape room, and it was very fun. I wish I could tell you about the puzzles. They were so good. So I really recommend getting Finder Seekers because now we've done the Paris and the National Park one, and they were both really fun. There's also many other sets. So in this set specifically, we learned a lot about national parks, right? I mean, we got to...
There was 10 different...
we got to see what each one was like. There were fast facts for each park, and I really like the I found out that national parks are so diverse. There's like beaches, mountains, forests.
Yeah, there's a bunch of terrain.
Arches, like caves. There's so many places, wetlands, and they were created like in the 1800s, I think. So yeah, this is a very educational escape room. Brother, which puzzle was your favorite without like giving me a spoiler?
My favorite puzzle was the bats in Carlsbad Caverns.
Yeah, there was a puzzle about Carlsbad Caverns National Park. We've been there, and the way to solve that was really cool. Also, my favorite was there was a puzzle for Great Smoky Mountains National Park, which is the most visited national park, and you have to do something with a postcard. It's really cool. If you scroll through our live stream, you'll see what we're talking about.
But if you don't want any spoilers,
then don't watch it.
Yeah, don't watch it.
Yep, that is Finder Seekers. I really like national parks. I like escape room, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye. Come on. Oh, there.